I can't believe you're gonna eat my food right now.
Let's do it.
Oh.
I mean, for me, it looks cute, it looks pretty, but then you eat it, and it's like,
Most of my cooking skills and techniques come from watching celebrity chefs on TV. I would say to date, this is the most important dish of my life. Jamie Oliver's like massive. He's an idol of mine.
Trevor.
Mr. Oliver.
Very excited to see you, brother. What is going through
So
your
what I'm
head?
gonna do for you today is a roasted fall vegetable medley.
Yeah, like you're thinking, like you're thinking.
I mean, to be honest, I base a lot of my cooking after you. I like your approach to very simple but elevated food. I like you shave your cheese from up here and it falls all over the plate.
They all think I'm doing that for style. It's not.
It's
Even
not.
distribution.
There you go, chef.
You crack on. I don't want to stop you.
It was an honor to meet you.
Beautiful. Well,
Thank
it's
you.
going to be an honor to try your food.
That's enough said. I need to witness.
Come on, cook, boys.
Barry.
Chef.
I think me and you are the oldest in the room today.
I think I've got you by a couple of years.
Okay, well, I'm chasing you behind. So, what we got?
I am going to simply braise some clams with this andouille sausage.
Yeah.
And I'm going to serve all of that together with some herb ricotta gnocchi,
Right.
confit heirloom cherry tomatoes, patty pan squash, and I'm going to work in some rapini, some escarole, and the sting and nettle.
Do you think there might be a few extra bits here? Feel the conviction in a smaller cluster of flavors, okay? That's all I'll say. I'm very excited.
Thank you.
And equally worried. Good luck.
Thank you.
1 minute! You have 20 minutes left! 20 minutes.
So short on time, which seems to be my downfall.
I am very much under the gun.
I'm alive. Why did I do this to myself?
How do you do this every week? This is a lot of stress.
I haven't even stuffed my tortellini yet.
I don't think I'm gonna finish. I'm so out of my element right now.
Young Taya.
Hi.
Wait, what's going on?
I'm making a tortellini, so I've got like a ricotta sausage, and then I'm gonna do a peach sauce. But I'm running out of time right now.
You're all right. Remember, those rabs only take a couple of minutes to cook. Only tip I would say is remember when you're doubling this pasta up, it swirls in the water.
Right.
So just maybe question thickness of pasta.
Right.
But don't freak out.
Okay.
Don't
Thank
freak
you,
out.
Chef.
Be confident.
I'm gonna try to do a couple thinner ones, take what he said. Hopefully I don't hyperventilate.
5 minutes! You only got 5 minutes left! To impress our VIP guests. You know who.
Doing this show is like new for me. Like I'm properly scared for them.
So, Jamie, you think they're overthinking it and maybe biting off more than they can chew?
I think some of them are definitely making their life more complicated. Young Barry over there had really good principles, but then never stopped talking, and it went on and on and on and on, and you're like, wow.
He's just making it more difficult for himself than he needs to.
We've got Taya making tortellini in 45 minutes. It's kind of brave. She could absolutely pull that off, although she's quite nervous.
I need to hustle a little.
What about Aaron? What do you think of his dish?
He's gone for real simplicity. Technically, it tells me that he's very clear about what he wants.
Sexy. So much at stake here. They want to impress.
Schmutz on my plate.
Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that.
Jamie Oliver wants to taste my dish. It sounds trite to say that it's awesome, but it's awesome.
I've got vanilla clams braised with andouille sausage and pan crisp greens.
Here we go, bro. You look surprised when we called you out there.
It's my first time being called up.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Delicious. Good flavors, good seasoning. I like the char on the greens here. The clams are not overcooked. I think you've done a great job.
Thank you.
But what I would do here is I would try and amplify that natural broth that comes out of the clam. I'd probably go in a bowl and keep it hot and steamy. But I think all round it's celebrating loads of elements there that are delicious. Well done, Barry. Well done.
Thank you.
What you have in front of you today is a warm fall vegetable salad with a roasted garlic lemon aioli, and then some toasted squash seeds and some pecorino cheese.
Let's get in there. Plating's very nice. What do you do for a living?
I'm a plumber gas fitter, chef.
Your pipe work must be beautiful.
I wouldn't disagree with you.
You know, here's the thing. Vegetables are always secondary in a lot of restaurants. And what you've done here is you've made them numero uno. Seasoning very nice and helped along with that pecorino. Very good dish.
Thank you. Means a lot, chef.
I did a Ndoya ricotta stuffed tortellini with white wine peach sauce and warm peach salsa. Oh, man. I can't believe you're gonna eat my food right now.
Let's do it.
Oh.
I mean, for me, it looks cute, it looks pretty, but then you eat it, and it's like, pan! Big flavour. You've got the big, smoky flavour of the Ndoya and the lightness that kind of comes with the ricotta. And then the sauce, I've never had anything like that. I like the introduction of peach. And actually, across Italy, they use peaches in many interesting savoury ways. So, good job, girl. Very impressed.